Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see the solution of first problem of exercise 1 in 10th class real numbers chapter. Okay, so here the problem is use division algorithm to find the HCF of 900 and 270. What is division algorithm? We already discussed in our previous video. A is equal to BQ plus R and 0 less than or equals to R less than B. This is our division algorithm. So to solve this problem, if you know the division, you can solve it easily. Okay, division from your third class and fourth class you will learn division, right? So here the big number 900 will divide big number by small number 270. So how many times it will divide 270? So 23 is a 60, right? So 27 threes we'll check. 27 threes clearly 81. So 273 is 810. So if we subtract 0, 10 minus 1, 9. Again, continuous division method. We should divide now 270 with this 90 until we get remainder 0. 9 3s are 27. So 93 is 270. So the remainder is 0. Okay. So now we will write this here. 900 is equal to, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. 270 into 3 plus 90. Again, in third case, dividend 270, divisor 90, quotient 3 plus remainder. Where we got this remainder 0? When we divide with 90. So therefore HCF of 900 and 270 is equal to 90. Very simple, but this work all you should done in your rough. Okay, and in the solution only these 4 steps only you should present. Okay. Now we will see second one in the same pattern. Same model problem. Here second one is find the HCF by Euclid algorithm. Find the HCF of 196 and 38,220. Okay. By Euclid algorithm, A is equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equals to R less than B. Okay, first we'll write this, and again in the rough work you should do this big number here 38,220 and the smaller number is 196. So you divide this with 196. Okay, so first 196 ones are 196. If we subtract, here we get 186 and 2 will come. Okay, and now how many times 196 divide means 99s are 171, right? So 196 nines are they must be less than 1800. We are guessing like that, and you should check by multiplying also. Okay, here I am not checking, but you should check. In that way you should check. Okay, 99s are 171, so 196 nines. If we multiply 196 with 9, we will get 1764. Okay, we subtract, we get here 8, 9, 0 and this 0. Okay, again the number until we get smaller number than dividend, we should continue our division, because this is continuous division. We cannot divide 196 by 980, right? So we should continue. 19 5s are 95. Okay, 196 5s are, if we do 196 5s, then it is 980. So simply, so here this is dividend, divisor 196, quotient 195, remainder 0. So 38,220 is equal to 196 into 195 plus 0. Therefore, here HCF is equal to 196. Okay. So it is very simple problem. So third one in the same question, find the HCF of 1651 and 2032. Okay, first by Euclid algorithm, A is equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equals to R less than B. And here the big number is 2032, small number is 1651. Clearly 16 twos, that means 1600 twos we will get 3200, right? So once only here, one time only 1651 divides. So by subtraction we will get here 381. This is less than this divisor, right? So again continuous division method. We should divide 1651 with 381. Okay, if we take 3 table, 3 5s are 15, 1500 35s, and again 8 5s are 40, right? And another one also is there. So if we check 381 4s are 4 8s are 32, 4 3s are 12 plus 3, 15, 24. So if we subtract this 1524, we will get 127. Again this is continuous division method, right? So we should divide this 381. Okay, and clearly 27 3s are 81 and 1 into 3 3, right? So 127 3s 381, here remainder equal to 0. Okay, so now this is the dividend, divisor into quotient. Our step 1, 1651 into 1 plus remainder 381. And in the second step, 1651 is equal to 381 into 4 plus remainder 127. In the third step, dividend, 381 is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder 0. So where we got 0? When we divide with 127. So therefore here HCF of this 1651 and 2032 is equal to 127. So in this way we will find out the HCF of any two numbers by using